Daksh, good morning. I think this is your first lecture, if I am not wrong. Ah. Okay. You will come to know who takes this subject. Okay, fine, no problem. Uh, uh, last time we were discussing about friend function. There was some error coming up in friend function, which we were not able to resolve. Okay, the error was very simple. Error was very simple, which I was not able to recover. Okay, just see this. What is the error first? First of all, recollect this program. Huh? Two classes, class number one, and another is class number two, with everything same. Both contains integer a, both contains void get data. For that, both we have defined these functions, void get data for number one and void get data for number two. Then we have made one external function. Then we have an external function named as average, which is not the member of any classes, number one or number two. So what we do now? Has anyone from you joined through mobile? કોઈ એક જોઈન્ટ થાવ ને એક ડિસ્કનેક્ટ થાય તો મને ખાલી કહેજો. એનીવન હો બધાય નહીં. અને કોણ થાય છે મને કહેજો. તમે થઈ ગયા? Okay, fine. Okay, let's come to this part. Come to this part. There is nothing new in this. Please. Please. Now in this case, this average function, I want to make this average function to be friend of both these classes. I want to make to be friend of me and someone else. Is it possible? Can Shobhit be a friend of more than one classes? Yes, of course. Do you agree with this point? The same thing we want to do. And we have done it also. We have done it also. But there is one problem in this. See, in number one also we have made average function as friend. In number two also we have made average function as friend. Now, when we are compiling this program, we are not able to get the error. From the statements what are written, that bracket, ending bracket expected, A is not accessible. So, A is not accessible to understand. But bracket expected, that is a problem. Actually, there is no problem of that. In the complete code, there is not a single mistake of bracket. Now coming to the error. The error is lying at this point. Error is lying with this. And that is number two. You just check the program and tell me where number two I have used. This is determined to be using. Can I access a variable without declaring? Can you say where number two is declared? Right. From this program, can you say where number two is declared? Can I say number two is declared after this usage? It is written over here. So what should I do? Can I say this class number two I should declare before number one? तो फिर नंबर वन पे प्रॉब्लम आएगा. Yes or no? अभी सर इसका क्या सॉल्यूशन? नंबर वन का नहीं, ऐसे थोड़े चलेगा. ये तो ऐसी बात हुई कि शोभित है उसके दो क्लोन बनाओ और दोनों की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक अलग होनी चाहिए. That is not possible. देव मल्टीप्लाई This is perfect solution. That means before using this number 2 over here, we need to declare this. Sir, how to declare this? Outside the class. What you should write? Simple. Class number 2 semicolon. This is termed as बराबर बोला exactly forward declaration. No, sir. It's fine. It is termed as forward declaration. This concept again we will come across when we will studying operator overloading. The chapter of operator overloading. At that time again this problem will come. Now let us try to compile it. Resolve the errors. Isn't it? Should we run it? Let's say I enter 10, I 20, average is 15. Output we were nowhere concerned. In learning C++, we are not concerned about the output. Fine. All of you. Should we move further? So can I say now friend function is resolved? So can we say what is the use of friend function? Why we need friend function? To access the private members of the class. Is it fine? But this concept is only with C++. From other languages, means after languages which are invented after C++, this concept has been removed. कोई ने कोई ना फ्रेंड बनाना है कहीं नहीं प्रोग्रामिंग में हेल्प करवानो આપણે इंडिविजुअल છીએ we are individual classes are individual entities no friend function concept is there if you want to associate the classes you can associate but no concept of friend is now there after C. Should we move further? Okay. This completes our chapter of class and objects. As per textbook I have. As per syllabus not completed. Give the next heading to be constructor. बाकी से लखवानो? Okay, please write it down. Please write it down. Please write down this program. And before this program, for your reference, you can write it. Friend function for 2 classes. I request you all the people to read the textbook for mid-examination. Syllabus as per Balaguru Swami textbook, as per Balaguru Swami, the syllabus will be till constructors and destructors. There is a chapter of constructor and destructor in the textbook Balaguru Swami. Till that it will be your syllabus. Basic. Starting from first chapter till constructors and destructors. कोई पर भी टेक्स्ट all are having the same chapter. And because I am frequently requesting you people, please read the textbooks. Otherwise, you will say, sir, ले આ તો અમને ખબર જ નથી. આવું તમે ને ભણાવ્યું છે અને પછી ત્યારે સર લે આ તો સિલેબસમાં જ હતું એટલે તમે કરાવી એન્જિનિયરિંગમાં સિલેબસ જેવું એકચ્યુઅલી કાંઈ હોય જ નહીં. If you refer to the GATE syllabus, GATE examination for post graduation in IIT, NIT, if you refer to the syllabus, it's very simple syllabus. They give the subject names. No, it's very simple. They give the subject names, data structure, operating system, digital electronics. That's it. They don't give detail of that. અહીંયા ત્યાં પછી કહેજો છે સર લે આ તો સિલેબસમાં નહોતું. In the examination, any examination, not talking of me, in any examination, if we are asked to write a program, આંખ બંધ કરીને get data put data તો લખી જ નાખવા બરાબર છે. If in the examination, if the program is asked for any class designing, simply you need to add get data put data. કીધું હોય કે ના કીધું. Very simple. You need to write. At that point of time, don't query, sir. You know, default. It's a default argument. And right now, from now on, you are actually in the university. You are studying in university. As per that exam, it will be something like approximately 20%, not more than 20%. 20% of expectation રાખવાનું છે કાંઈક સિલેબસ ની બહારનું હશે બરાબર છે. હવે એકલી સિલેબસ ની બહારનું ના હોય, એકલી સિલેબસ નું જ હોય પણ તમે ભણ્યા ન હો અથવા તમને ભણાયું ના હોય બરાબર છે. Because in a lecture of 1 hour, I cannot teach you complete textbook word by word. Actually, now we are not studying in schools. So it is now our responsibility to read the text. I am saying that જો આપણે અત્યારે ભણ્યા છીએ એમાંથી તમે ટેક્સ્ટબુક વાંચશો ને જો કોઈ વાંચ્યું હોય ને તો ઘણી વસ્તુ નવી જાણવા મળશે. I can give you a path, but on path you need to work. I cannot work for you. અને ચાલવાનું છે ચાલે જ મારા માટે. ચાલો ચાલો
હેલો સર.
yes
સર જનરલી કેટલા માર્કમાં આપણે કોડિંગ પૂછાશે?
coding that I cannot promise, but approximate coding you can consider it to be 40 to 50%, but I cannot promise, it can be 30 also.
Okay.
One of your classmates is asking the programming કેટલા marks હશે exam, that I cannot promise, but it will be around 40%. 40%. I am not promising that it can be. One more thing with respect to examination, mid-exam program. Questions I am પૂછ્યું હોય, in the question it has been asked any concept and explain static. If it has been asked explain static, you need to write the example. Example code કોઈ પણ બી concept માં લખવાનો ને લખવાનો. એમ પૂછ્યું હોય explain function with default arguments. You need to explain it and then you need to write the sample code. But code લખો એમાં તમારે marks જોવાના. Just take out the marks for how much mark it has been asked. If that concept is asked for 6 marks, then you do not need to write complete code. If the same thing has been asked for 3 marks, તો એ કોડ તો લખવાનો પણ આખો નહીં, સેમ્પલ જે આપણે concept સમજાવવાનું તેટલો જ લખવાનો. Okay, this is what we need to learn. Is it fine? Should we continue? Okay, fine. Before starting constructor, I want to clear one doubt. Understand it very carefully. Can I define this function in the class itself over here? Can I do this thing? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Then, sir, what is the difference? Please listen carefully. Sir, then what is the difference between function defining within the class and function defining outside the class? Today I am giving you the answer. If I define function within the class, understand it. If I define the function within the class, then that function becomes inline function. Write down a note somewhere. All are requested to write down a note. Function defined within the class. Function defined within the class are inline functions. That means what? They are not normal functions. If I define it like this within the class I have defined, that means this get data function of class number 1 is, class number 2 is inline function. Now you are knowing the properties of inline function. Sir, then what about if I define it outside the class? Then it's very simple. It is not inline. And what is the main rule for inline? The function should not contain more than 2 to 3 lines. Function should not contain for loop or looping statements. Are you getting my point? So the properties of inline functions are applied over here. If I define it within the class. So कराई के ना कराई बने ત્યાં સુધી ના કરો. In case of C++, to a certain extent, don't do this. Is it fine, everyone? So what is the difference between the function defining within the class and outside the class? If it is defined inside the class, then it is inline function. Is it fine? Should I move further? Okay then. Now give the heading constructor. See the spelling properly. Constructor. What do you mean by the word constructor? Constructor. To construct something. It's similar. To construct something. Now question is what? What something? In our case, to construct object. in our case, constructor is used to construct object. But ક્યારે આવું કેવું નહીં. આ indirect વસ્તુ છે. This is indirect thing what I am saying. Now talking of constructor and writing definition, you write down along with me. Constructor is a special type of function. Constructor is a special type of function with the same name set of class. Invoked when an object of the class is created. Constructor is a special type of function with the same name that of class and invoked when an object of the class is created. How many of you are equally? Have you heard this one? Yes or no? Yes. Now you have to explain me this definition. No, I am not there to explain you this definition. Online people are with me? Now break the definition for understanding. Constructor is a special type of function. In whichever language you want to translate, you translate it. Whichever is comfortable, you translate it. If I translate it in Gujarati, constructor એક પ્રકારનું function છે. Special function છે. Do you agree with this? Function છે. Function છે. It is a function. So what are the properties applicable to function? It applies to the constructor. So what are the properties of constructor? Can I say constructors have sorry. Can I say functions have name? Can I say functions have arguments? Yes or no? Can I say functions have body? Yes or no? That is not everything is there with constructor. So constructor is a function. Do you agree? Do you agree? But which type of function? Special function. So what is the speciality of this? The first speciality. Constructors do not have return type. Constructors do not have return type because they cannot return value. Make you a special type of function. Yes or no? Still one more characteristic which has been already written. With the same name that of class. Translate करो whatever language you are comfortable. Class નું નામ જે હોય ને એ constructor નું નામ હોય. એટલે class નું નામ જે હોય ને એ function નું નામ હોય. Is it fine? Do you agree with this? So what is constructor? Constructor, મારી સાથે along with me in chorus. Chorus નહીં chorus. What's the spelling chorus? CHORUS. CHORUS is not chorus, it is chorus. In chorus, constructor is a special type of function with the same name that of class. Should we implement it into a program? Should we implement this into our program? Yes or no? Okay. Now I'm copying this definition from here and opening our previous program which we did. Of complex number. We have written this. Huh? After this, you have written the program of time, adding time objects. You recall it. So now question comes. I want to make a constructor in this complex class. So what is constructor? Special function. Okay. So I am doing it in public section. Special function. What should be the name of that function? Oh, sorry. I forgot to copy it. Sorry. Okay. So definition is in front of you. What I said, constructor is a special type of function. Chalo, function. With the same name that of, what is the name of the class? Complex. Same name that of class. Similar નથી કીધું. એટલે વળી પાછું સર લે તમે તો એમ કીધું તું same name તે similar હોઈ શકે ને? Can we keep it upper case, lower case? No. Everything should be same. Case should also be same. If in complex C is small, then you should write C is small. If C is capital, you should write it capital. So whatever name is given should be written. Is it fine? So see the definition and compare it over here. Constructor is a special type of function with the same name that of class. Any function, but I have added one more property. Last benches no suva nahi do. I have added one property. What is that property? What is that property? What is that property? Constructors cannot return value. That means that's why I am not mentioning the return type. So over here we are providing the return type, but in constructor we need not to provide the return type because they cannot return a value. So I am writing one more property to this. What is that property? Constructors cannot return value. Now constructor is a function. So three parts of function: function declaring, function definition, function calling. So function declaration already done. Constructor declaration already done. बाकी थे कहीं? Done. Yes or no? Now what is next? Define. So define. You are knowing how to define it. You are knowing how to define function outside the class. How to define function outside the class? Tell me. પેલા તો જે what we do in functions, જે function નામ હોય લખી નાખી આપણે એમને. The same thing I did. લખી નાખ્યું. Then brackets. Then and what we write? Class name. What is the class name? So complex double colon complex. What is double colon? What is double colon? Double colon is an operator. What is the name of that operator? Double colon is the name of the operator, and name of the operator is scope resolution operator. Scope resolution operator. Double colon is the scope resolution operator. Is it fine? So complex, double colon complex. So can I say now definition is ready? We need to write the body, whatever we have to write. Yes or no? Now I am writing in this real equals to 5, imaginary equals to 10. I want to show you the magic. What is this written? What is this written? C1 dot get data. Now what I did? What I had written? Yes or no? Do you agree with this? Do you agree with this? I'm running the program. My job is over. My job is over. મને ના જો આઉટપુટ જુઓ. પછી કહું છું મને ના જો આઉટપુટ જુઓ. And try to understand what happened. મેં get data લખ્યું નથી. Call નથી કરાયો. I have not called C1.getData. Even I have not called C2.getData. And then also the object initialized with the value 5 and 10. For both same. You agree with this? But call ક્યારે થયું કેમ થયું એના વેલ્યુ સેટ થઈ ગઈ. એના વેલ્યુ સેટ થઈ જાય. I have never called. Have I called this function? Or I say constructor. The value has the value has been set due to this 5 and 10. Let me change the values again and run it again. Hello, what value I'm making? 3 and let's say 7. 3 and 7. Remember, 3 and 7 running the program. 3 and 7. Magic? આમાં હું magic દેખાય. But my main point is how this happened. What has happened? We have not called anything. Now read the definition's last part. And invoked when an object of the class is created. હવે મેપ કરો ને અહીંયા જરા. શું કીધું મેં? This constructor is called when? This constructor is called when an object of the class is created. So where the object is created in void main, C1 created, constructor called, C2 created, again constructor called, C3 created, again constructor called. Yes or no? But the value of C3 changed. Why? Because we performed the addition over here. Fine now. Do you understand what is the use of constructor? But now my question is, constructors are called automatically. We cannot call it. So when they are called? When they are called? Whenever we make object of that class. Do you agree with this? Do you all agree with this? So मैं get data काटी. I have removed get data. मारो calling part निकली क्यों? C1.getData, C2.getData. I need not to call. My constructor will do the task. ત્યાં ભાઈએ perfect question મૂક્યો હતો. આપણે બધાએ મસ્તી કરેલી હતી. Yes, sir. What about I want different values for different objects? Different values for different objects. At this point, both are same. When we run this, at that time, both comes out to be same. C1 as well as 37. C2 as well as 37. Now what about I want to change C2? Did you got my point? He was absolutely correct. I'll discuss it. Don't worry. But now what is constructor? હવે આખી definition. Constructor is a special type of function with the same name that of class and called when an object of the class is created. So can I say that constructor will be called only once for that object? So what I mean to say by this statement, when I say only once, means in this case, if I say C1.getData, C1.getData, in the time again, can I write C1 dot get data once again? Can I call it like this? I can call it multiple times, no? A function declared in the class can be called multiple times, but constructor can be called only once for that object. एक बार ऑब्जेक्ट बनो त्यारे कंस्ट्रक्टर कॉल जो now it will not be called any more time for that particular object. C1 માટે constructor call થઈ ગયો, કામ પૂરું થઈ ગયું. now C1 માટે બીજી વાર પાછો call નહીં થાય constructor. આપણી પાસે એવું provision નથી that we can call it. You agree with this now? Any doubts with this? Any doubts with constructor? Okay. Now let us solve the problem of this person. What's your name? Let's solve the problem of Kishan. Sir, I want to have different values for the objects. Yes or no? Recall function, not constructor. Recall function. What functions can have? What are the parts of function? Function name, sorry, return type. Then function name. Aviju, what is remaining? Arguments. You can pass argument to the constructors. Sir, how? Function માં જેમ પાસ કરતા હોય પાસ કરવાનું શું નવીન વાત છે integer I અને integer R sorry integer R and integer I same thing you need to write it over here integer R comma integer I હવે ક્યાં બાકી રહી ગયું we need to pass these values when we make an object ત્યારે કોલ થાય ત્યારે આવવું જોઈએ ને કોલ ક્યારે થાય છે ત્યારે ઓબ્જેક્ટ બને છે ત્યારે over here so what should I write 3,7 for C2 5,10 different values C3 લખવું પડે કે ન લખવું પડે કેમ ના લખવું પડે why we need not to write what is the definition recollect it so each given first what happens when an object of the class is created constructor is called constructor like we have written the constructor so what are the arguments of the constructor how many arguments 2 that means compulsorily we need to pass no is it no there is nothing like default argument need to compulsory pass so for C3 also we need to pass okay so for that we make it 0 can we do that can we do this 0 and 0 that's it no suppose na lakhu if I don't write it it will give me an error it's going to give me an error what is the error nah that is they are the warnings this is the error read the first word these first two are warnings this is error warnings are accepted what is error could not find a match for complex that means there is no such match that without parameters there is no such constructor available we have the constructor with arguments is it fine all of you any doubts with this okay that means I need to pass 0 over here let's compile it is it fine હજી એક કામ કરવાનું તો રહી જ ગયું અહીંયા 3 ની જગ્યાએ R નહીં લખવો પડે 7 ની જગ્યાએ I નહીં લખવો પડે so whatever I pass will be copied let's run it oh sorry I uncommented this part now see this fine problem resolved sir what if I want to get these values from the user now 5 મિનિટ રિઝલ્ટ પાસેથી લેવી હોય તો કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટરમાં લખી નાખો સી આઉટ ને સી આઈડિયલી લખાય છે. Ideally, whenever you are doing ideal programming, ideal, talking ideally means I'm talking when you are in the industry, company, don't do that thing. But okay, industry when you be working on at the time, our point नहीं आएगा user पासेથી કેમ છે બરાબર છે એના માટે other ways are around with us that are not available in console based programming. UI based programming is something different. The final element, any doubts with this? Any doubts with this? Then move further. Okay. If I move further, then actually I have also discussed types of constructor. What I have discussed? Types of constructor. Number one, default constructor. What is default constructor? Constructor with no arguments is termed as default constructor. Secondly, second type. Exactly, parameterized constructor. Constructor with arguments is termed as parameterized constructor. Is it fine? Then one more type is there. Still, one more type is there. Third type, that is copy constructor. The word itself is a self-explanatory word. Copy constructor. Copy karo. Copy from one to another. You agree with this? Copy constructor. Before that, before moving to copy constructor, please write down this program completely. Sir, એક વાર તો લખો, કાંઈ વાંધો નહીં, પાછો. But now with construct. All the online students, I'll resolve your queries after this, so don't worry. What is the default access specifier in a class? What is default access specifier in the class? બધાનો આન્સર આવજો એકદમ. હું કોઈ access specifier define ના કરું તો એ કયો કહેવાય? Private. Okay. That's what is my main goal. Now in this program there is no meaning of get data. In this program there is no meaning of get data. We have removed actually get data. If you don't want to write, that is fine. Don't write get data. It is fine. કારણ કે ક્યાંય કોલેજ નથી કરાવતા because it was our old program. So today we stop here. All the online students, please enter your enrollment numbers in the meeting. And those who have doubts, just stay, else you can leave. Completed? You go through. Completed? Okay. Dhiren, we have solved the error. Is Dhiren present? No. Dharma, the thing is that we have declared number 2 only because number 1 is already declared previously. Okay, that's why we have declared only number 2 before number 1 because we are using number 2 in the class number 1. That's why.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other queries from anyone? Sir, friend class is having same property as a friend function. Yes, Om, you are correct. But the thing is that if all the functions we want to make as a friend of that class, then we generally write friend class. Is it fine, Om? Okay. લેવી છે attendance લેવી છે TC2 પેલા 91 88 90 128 116 105 151 95 126 140 TC2 only 91 94 142 129 138 132 4 TC2 TC3 2 3 20 28 TC3 23 21 20 35 10 7 12 15 18 27 anyone left out? Okay,